Hi guys, welcome. This is a continuation of the earlier video for AZ220 Microsoft Azure IoT Developer Lab 20. Now we are in the exercise 3. Monitor a simulated device. We have created the capabilities and I'm going to see what's next to be done. Create a rich dashboard. Okay, I'm going to click on View. Okay, and visualize the device. Click on it. Take a moment to review a list of availability, telemetry, property, and commands. Okay, so under telemetry, under so let's add a tile up here. Right now, mine we saw, but we're going to do it just follow through. Under telemetry, click location. Okay, then click add a tile. Okay, under location, then I'm just going to click on a tile. So here we're going to say truck view. Okay, okay, so we can reduce the size and enlarge it. Fine, let's see. Right, and now I can see it. So under the view name, I'm putting truck view. Under telemetry, I'm going to say content state. Add a tile. Repeat this step with remaining capability working from top to down. Add the tile. Okay, and event at a tile. I to perhaps just then truck state at a tile, and then we edit location, right? Yep, and then cooling system date at a tile. And then right okay. All right, so just to make it look good, I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna enlarge it to here. So fine. So I'm going to save. Oh, I haven't add properties, right? Optimal temperature. Add tile. Then truck ID, add a tile, and then command recall to customer add a tile, and then recall add a tile. Okay, save. Right, now what we're going to do is gonna minimize this, right? And we're going to publish it. Publish. Okay, create a real device. On the left menu, on this or this. Oh, devices. Okay, we can minimize this. So I'm going to click device, all devices. I'm going to click refrigerated truck and new. Create a new devices. Device name refrigerator is listed as prefix. Oh, sorry. Right? Verify that it's a prefix. Yeah, it is as a prefix. But device name is -1. Okay. Simulation is off. Okay. Create. Okay. Under device name. Okay. Do I see as command? Is this so just below refrigerated truck one title of your device dashboard. Okay. Click commands. Okay. Ah, I put in the whole thing, so actually we don't need the whole thing. Command. Yeah, we do have. Okay, at the right. Yeah, connect. Click connect. Okay. Copy the device scope. Okay, now we need to paste this. Okay, and copy the device ID. device ID, and then source is selected, and I'm going to copy the primary key, primary key. So just for safety, I'm copying the secondary key also. Okay, and I'll save. Okay, connect method. Under chat SAS and close key. So we are done with exercise 3. I'm going to create a free Azure Map account. So let's open separately the Azure Map. We're going to click here Start Free. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy this, paste it in a new notepad, and save as I'm going to save it since this was requested. So let's see what it's being used for. So IoT reference is also open, so I minimize this. It's okay. Get it now. Continue. So it's going to the portal.azure. So let's create it new as Azure IoT Central. Azure IoT Central. Okay, so I'm gonna say KV2103. Yeah, we can name it as truck connection, maybe. Truck. So is the 200 maps. Truck. Okay. And So you have already seen. Okay, it's deployed, and let's see if let it deploy and catch back with me on the next video.